Welcome to example program, and in this video we will see how we can download and install Eclipse IDE for Java development. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to open up the browser. I have Chrome browser installed in my PC, so I'm gonna open it up and we will open up Google, and here we will search for Eclipse, and the first link is from eclipse.org, so we will click on that. It is the official website. Eclipse is one of the most used IDE for Java development. It is available for other languages also, like C++, C, PHP, etc, etc. Okay, now we are in the downloads section of the eclipse.org. Now here what we can do is we can download the installer, and then when we run the installer we can select the packages that we want to install. We can say whether we want the Eclipse IDE for Java development or C or C++ development or PHP development. We have the option to select that, and then the installer will download the respected package that we have selected and it will install it in our PC. So we will download the Eclipse installer. So to do that, we're gonna click on this download 64-bit, and it will take us to this page, and here we have the download option. So we will click on this download button and it will download the Java installer. I'm not gonna download it because I have already downloaded it. So all you have to do is click on this download button and the Eclipse installer will be downloaded. Now once the download is finished, you need to open up the folder where you have saved the download. By default it will be in the downloads folder. In my case also it is in the downloads folder. So here you guys can see Eclipse installer Windows 64-bit. So now what we do is we will double click on this and we will run the installer. Okay, now the Eclipse installer is launching. Okay, now here you guys can see we can select the package that we want. For example, you guys can see here Eclipse IDE for Java developers, for enterprise Java developers, C++ developers, and you guys can scroll down here and you guys can see a lot of options. Whichever the package you need, you can select that one here. I'm gonna install the Eclipse IDE for Java development, so I'm gonna select this first option, and once I do that, once I click on that, it will open up this page where it will show where exactly we have installed the JDK in our PC. If you haven't installed it, then I have already made a video about it, and I'm going to put the link of that video in the description box. In that video, I have explained how you can download and install the latest JDK in your PC. Now here you guys can see the JDK version, and then it will display the installation folder where the Eclipse IDE will be installed. By default, it will install in the C drive in the user directory. And here I want the start menu entry, and also I want a desktop shortcut, so I'm not going to change anything in here, and I'm going to click on this install button. We have to accept the license agreement, and it will download and install the package that we have selected. So we will patiently wait for the installation to finish. Okay, now there is one more user agreement. I'm going to say I'm going to accept it. Installation is happening. Now if you think your download is stuck, then just keep your cursor in front of this progress bar, and you guys can see the current file it is downloading. So if it keeps on changing, then it means it is downloading the files in the background. If you get this certification window, then select the one from Sun Microsystems and then accept selected, and the installation will continue. So that's it. We have installed Eclipse in our system. So if you want, you can launch it from here, or you can use the shortcut which is present in your desktop. So if you want, you can make a note of the location where it is installed, and here I'm going to click on this launch button and it will launch the Eclipse IDE for us. So first you need to set up the workspace. I'm gonna choose the one which is selected in here. Okay, now the Eclipse IDE is open. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Check out our website exampleprogram.com.